everyone's gonna look out for one another. So if there's a problem, someone can jump off their bike and help someone. Everyone's got a helmet, and we are pretty much ready to go.
It's good the weather broke too, huh?
I know, it was supposed to rain today.
Yeah, it's not.
If it rains, I'm going home.
So far, so good.
My name is Marcel, and I'm on a bike trip. Or bike rescue.
Where are we going?
I think we are going to Waterford in the middle of, I think, Lansingburg and Cohoes.
How many people are there?
I think over 20. Probably.
I ride my bike a lot.
Where do you take your bike to?
I don't know, far. Like Lansingburg, Cohoes. Huh?
You ever ridden it 10 miles before?
I think 10 miles or more.
Where'd you go?
I don't know.
You don't know. That happens a lot when you're on a bike. Yeah.
On a bike, Uncle Sam's bike way. Hi, my name is Adizane, and I just rode all the way from over there, and I was scared that I was gonna be scared to go down that big hill, and I did it without having to touch my brakes. Now my legs hurt, and it's really hurting.